Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to learn about what is virtual environment. So let us understand it in a very simple manner. Suppose that you are working on a multiple Python project. One of the project require Python 3.8 version and another project require Python 3.10 version. One project require Django software and the another project require Flask software. If you install everything together, it will be a great mess. So what you will do, you will create an isolated space for each environment so that their dependencies don't mix. This is where virtual environment concepts comes into the picture. Now let us understand how do you create a virtual environment. So first of all, you have to open your CMD. For example, I am at this location, so I am going to open CMD here. The first command that you need to know is Python -m, then venv, and then your virtual environment name. So in this case, my virtual environment name is data science. So what this command will do, it will install the Python version in this environment. It will take around 10 to 30 seconds. Now you can see the virtual environment has been created. So this is the folder which contain the Python software. Now what I have to do, I have to activate this virtual environment. So in order to activate this virtual environment, you have to use this command. So first of all, your environment name, which is basically data science, then slash, then scripts, then slash activate. Click on enter, and by this way you are going to activate the virtual environment. After that, what you can do, you can install any sorts of libraries. For example, let us say I am going to install Flask library. So Flask library is basically used for creating a web application or web APIs. So you can easily do with the help of Flask library. So pip install Flask. Now click on enter. So here we can see it is installing Flask library in our virtual environment. Now you have to see what are the libraries installed in this virtual environment. What you have to do, you have to use this command pip freeze requirements .txt. Run this out and you can see all the libraries which are present in our virtual environment. If you want to save this things in a requirement.txt file, what you have to do, you have to use this command pip freeze requirements .txt. Next, click on enter and you can see a file is created named as requirement.txt and it will contain list of all the libraries which are present in this environment. Similarly, if you want to install all these libraries with one command, you can use this command. So the command name is pip install -r requirements .txt. So with the help of this command, you can install all the libraries at once. So this is the command that you need to note. Currently we have already installed all these things, so it will show me requirement already satisfied. So this is all about the virtual environment creation, how to install a library, how to create requirements.txt file, all these things.